Saudi first female ambassador starts mission in US. Be careful with threats, Trump tells Iran. Haftar forces admit to Libya migrant camp airstrike. UN Security Council fails to condemn airstrike in Libya. Sudan protester resumes talk with army after deadlock. 81 missing at boat capsized off Tunisian coast. Mauritania resumes internet services after 10 days cut. Bosnia to bid farewell to 33 more Srebrenica victims. YC warns of hate speech against Muslims in Sri Lanka. Pakistan books militant leaders for terror financing. IMF approves $6 billion bailout package for Pakistan. Pakistan premier to meet Taliban leaders soon.